Why should you convert your documents? Can you easily find what you need in the piles of documents? When the masses of information keep growing, finding physical storage space becomes an instant headache. And these increase the chance of missing and damaging of documents. At that point, you'd think about converting the loads of files into e-format. Unfortunately, it's a nightmare. Manual input into system is inefficient and time-consuming. Why don't you use PCCW Solutions Professional Service? We can help you get the job done easily and let you focus on your core business. We collect documents by batch with checklist from you. Sort documents and add barcode or patch code for identification. Scan documents, add blank page as separator, and detect misfeed with ultrasonic function. Manually import or capture data with OCR, ICR, and OMR. Verify the data and image. Generate the output files in required format. Finally, export the data file with progress report to you. Our innovative combination of high-tech hardware and software enables quality assurance. Our facility has high capacity to handle backlog documents. Our service receives ISO 9001 of Quality Management Certification. To protect data privacy, our staff needs to sign confidentiality agreement, and our center is monitored by CCTV 24/7. PCCW Solutions, your IT partner for success.